All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, impression and impressive. Impression. Impression. The image or idea that someone first gives off. First impressions are important. Yeah, important. The way you present yourself is the impression you give. The way you present yourself to the world is the impression you give. You gave the impression of a professional. I have a professional impression on people. The way I'm presented to the world. Yes, very good. They had the impression. See, they had the impression you knew what you were doing. You gave them a good impression. Yeah. The way you presented, talked, and stood was very good and professional. Yeah. Your impression on them was very impactful and memorable. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. But impressive, when something is good and it is then liked, this book is impressive. This book is impressive. Yeah. I didn't know what to expect. Yeah, this book is better than I thought. And so it is impressive. Wow. I expected this, but it came up here, so it's very, very impressive. Very, very good. Yeah. Your results were impressive. Like, whoa. I didn't expect those kind of results. Yeah. It is better than I thought. Yeah. That was quite impressive. We are surprised you did that. Wow. How cool is that? Yeah. It was impressive when you did that. Yeah. How did you do that? We were very impressed. Wow. That was cool. Wow, impressive. Very good. How cool is that? So, can you use impression and impressive in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.